So my background is in corn genetics. I want to understand what are the DNA differences in every corn plant to determine which hybrids will do well in which environments. When you look around the world at places that study corn, the University of Nebraska is one of the leaders, and I think we can be the leader in corn genetics and understanding how to make higher yielding, more resilient, more valuable corn for Nebraska, the US, and the world. We are working on understanding better how corn uses nitrogen and how much each field of corn will require from one year to the next. This can both save farmers money at the same time that it improves water quality both in rural and urban environments, and allows our corn to be more desirable as an input for sustainable aviation fuel and all sorts of new market demands. But in addition to that direct impact, the work I am doing brings millions of dollars of federal funds into the state of Nebraska, which goes into our economy, and it brings people from all around the world who want to study corn. They move to Lincoln, Nebraska to work on our team, and a lot of them decide that they want to stay in Nebraska after having that experience. So one of the reasons that I'm able to do the research that I do at Nebraska is because we have such a wonderful integrated and collaborative team, not just in agronomy, but across many different disciplines. I'm able to work with world-class statisticians, with agricultural engineers designing robots that fly over the field, drive through the field, computer scientists who are figuring out new ways to take photos and different sensor data from corn plants and make measurements that right now are still made by me and my students walking through the field with rulers and notebooks. This sort of innovation and impact both benefits our science directly, but it also results in economic impact. These are technologies that are spun off into companies, into patents that can be licensed out to other providers. And that's really what matters to me and the folks on my team. We don't want to just publish papers. We want to see our efforts, our advances making real impact in the world. And Nebraska is a wonderful place to have that happen.